我的天啦
，18层楼这么高。
Explorers found these karst caves trashed just a few dozen miles from China's Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, nicknamed Avatar Mountains, which are said to have inspired the 2009 blockbuster film. Inside, they found plastic bottles, cans, and containers labeled as pesticides, spilling across rocks and underground waters.
看一下这个垃圾有多厚，我都已经可以在这个垃圾上行走了已经。
Authorities said most of the trash is domestic waste dumped more than a decade ago, and animal waste from nearby livestock farms, staining once white stalactites black.
为你的洞穴。
The damage only came to light in May after whistleblower videos went viral on social media, pushing the government to scramble to save those ancient natural wonders.